Author's living room. Vine and Leah were sitting on the couch watching TV. Vine looking at the screen. Wow, he's so handsome. Look at his muscular body. Leah, shut up. Why are you looking at him? You already have a handsome man at home, my brother. Vine making an awkward face. Yeah, but what's the use? We never get close. We barely talk. It doesn't even feel like we are husband and wife. Leah shocked. What did you both fight? Is everything okay? Vine. No, we never fight. On our first night, I was nervous. When I found out he was in the mafia, I got scared. He saw the fear in my eyes. Leah. So what happened? Vine. Since that day, he keeps his distance. He never comes near me. He never even tries to touch me. He thinks he is giving me comfort, but it's been 3 months now and he is still the same. Cold, distant. Leah, maybe he still think you are afraid of him? Van, I'm not afraid anymore. I just want my husband. Leah, this is very wrong. If this continues, the distance between you two will only increase. Authors. Van and Young marriage was arranged by their parents. Both families were very close friends for many years. They trusted each other deeply, so they decided to turn their friendship into a family bond. When Van saw Taeyang for the first time, she liked him instantly. He was calm, handsome, and carried a strong presence that made him stand out in the room. She felt something special that day. Authors. But on the first day after their marriage, she found out the truth. Tiang was involved in the mafia world. That truth scared her. She never expected her husband to live such a dangerous life. Fear filled her heart, and Tiang noticed in it her eyes. However, as days passed, she stayed with him. She slowly started understanding him. She realized he is not a bad person. He was strict and cold with the people outside, but inside the house he was different. He was extremely soft and caring towards his family, especially towards his sister, Leah. Authors. After some time, Tian comes home and goes straight to his room. Van sees him going to the room from the kitchen. She quietly makes coffee for him and takes it upstairs. When she enters the room, she sees Taeyang lying on the bed, looking very tired. Van, you had a lot of work today. Authors. While taking the cup, their hands touch each other. Both of them pause for a moment. The air becomes silent. Then slowly they pull their hands back. Taeyang, where is Leah? Van, in her room. Taeyang picks up a book from the side of the table and give it to Van. Leah asked me to bring this for her. Van takes the book. Van, I'll give it to her. She turns and leaves the room. Taeyang keeps looking at her until she completely disappears from his sight. He closes his eyes and speaks softly to himself. Taeyang, how long, Van? How long we will stay like this? I really wanted to hold you tightly in my arms. You're my wife. I really love you. When will everything goes right? Authors. Van goes to Leah's room, but Leah is not there. Just then, Van's phone starts ringing. It is her mother. She answered the call and started talking. Van, hello mom. Yes, I'm fine. How are you? Is dad okay? She keeps talking on the phone. Authors. Meanwhile, Leah walks towards Taeyang's room. When she enters, she sees Taeyang's clothes placed on the bed from the bathroom. The sound of running water can be heard. The bathroom door is slightly open. It seems Taeyang forgot to lock it. Leah noticed this and paused. Then suddenly an idea comes to her mind. She crosses her arms and thinks to herself, Leah, now I have to do something, otherwise these two will stay like this forever. Authors. Leah sees Van coming towards the room. She quickly walks to her pretending to act normal. Leah, Van, where are you? Van, I was looking for you. Before Van can say more, Leah quickly speaks. Leah, I think the bathroom tap is open. Go and close it before the room gets flooded. Van, oh okay, 1 minute. Van walks towards the bathroom. Authors. As soon as she enters, Leah quickly locks the door from outside. Leah, Enjoy. Inside the bathroom, Ryan realized the door is locked. Ryan. Leah, open the door. Open it. Suddenly, a deep voice comes from behind Taehyung. Ryan. Authors Ryan slowly turns around and frees. Taehyung is standing there in his shorts. His hair slightly wet. Ryan quickly turns her face to the other side. Her cheeks turn red. Taehyung, Ryan, what are you doing here? And look at me. Ryan flustered. Leah locked me in it, left. And you are not even dressed properly. I can't look at you. Author Taehyung smirks slightly and steps closer to tease her. He comes very close and gently wraps his arms around her from behind. He leans near her ear. Taehyung softly. You are my wife. Author Swan can feel his warm breath near her ear. He is too close. Her heartbeat becomes fast. Slowly she turns around to face him. Now they are standing very close. Taehyung leans in almost about to kiss her, but suddenly he stops and steps back. Taehyung, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I forget you not be comfortable. I broke my promise. Before he can finish his sentence, Author Swan moves forward and kisses him. Taehyung's eyes widen in shock. After the kiss, both of them pull back slightly, breathing heavily. Their foreheads are almost touching. Van gently holds Taehyung's cheeks in her hands. Van, I love you, T. I completely comfortable with you. Taehyung's eyes soften. All the coldness in them disappears. He slowly placed a gentle kiss on her forehead. Taehyung, I love you too more than you know. He rests his head against hers and closes his eyes for a moment. Taehyung, I kept my distance because I don't want to feel scared. I thought if I stay away, you would feel safe. You make me feel safe, not scared. Author Taehyung smiles slightly, a genuine smile. He carefully pulls her into his arms. This time not teasing, not holding back, just a warm, tight hug. Author Swan wraps her arms around him and rests her head against his chest, listening to his heartbeat. Taehyung, no more distance. If something scares you, tell me. Don't push me away. When I want, and you stop pushing me away too. He cuckles softly. After a moment, Taehyung, we will start again properly. This time as husband-wife. Van smiles shyly and nods. Outside the room, Leah quietly passed by, see the locked door and smirks. Leah, mission successful. Don't forget to share and subscribe this channel. Bye bye and comment which part you want next.